Over my offer. This will be very good news for all Rivers people who are interested in the unity, progress and prosperity of Rivers State. Our coming together signals a significant shift in the political atmosphere of the state, and we believe that all well-meaning Rivers people will be very happy to see that finally the peace that all Rivers people crave for is here in the interest and benefit of our people.
As elders, as leaders, to discuss on how to ensure that every member of the family, both from the both sides, are fully integrated. There will be no discrimination against anyone. Everybody will be treated equally, respectfully, and as a member of the original family, as led by His Excellency, our leader, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. By the next process, I am sure that the governor himself and the minister will address Rivers people.
There's nothing that will happen that we cannot resolve as Rivers people. And there is nothing that is sweet or better for us to be together. Like you know, we are one family. And in a family, people will disagree. And because of that love that binds you together, you will find time to come together and unite. I also want to thank the governor of Rivers State, Fubara, for making it possible, for making the door open for us to come and meet with him and talk like brothers. I'm so excited. The last meeting went well. Today went extraordinarily well. And it shows clearly to the people of Rivers State that the family is back, sincerely back, and soon they will see the working of the Rainbow Coalition.